me ask you something. When you speak English, do you feel slow? Not stupid, not bad. Just slow. You understand many words. You studied grammar. You can read. You can listen. But when it is time to speak, your brain becomes very busy. You think in your language. Then you translate. Then you check grammar. Then you worry. Then you speak. And by the time you finish, the moment is gone. The conversation moves on. And you feel frustrated. If this sounds like you, take a deep breath. You are normal. This is not a problem with your intelligence. It is simply a habit, and habits can change. Today, we begin changing the habit. Today, we stop translating and we start thinking in English, because translating is heavy. It is like walking with a heavy backpack. You can walk, but you feel slow. Thinking directly in English is lighter, faster, more natural. And yes, you can learn how to do it. First, let's understand what is happening in your brain. Imagine someone asks you, "What did you do today?" Your brain often does this. Step 1. You hear English. Step 2. You translate into your language. Step 3. You think of an answer in your language. Step 4. You translate back into English. Step 5. You check grammar. Step 6. You speak. That is 6 steps. 6. No wonder you feel tired. Native speakers do this. Hear, understand, answer. 3 simple actions. So our goal is simple. Connect idea directly to English without passing through another language. And we do this slowly. With small practice, not big study, small practice every day. Let's begin with exercise 1. Small sentence thinking. Many learners think in single words. Phone, water, door. That does not build speed. Sentences build speed. If you see your phone, think, "My phone is on the table." Say it in your head. "My phone is on the table." Good. If you are drinking water, think, "The water is cold." Say it. "The water is cold." If you feel hungry, think, "I am hungry." Small, clear, real. Now pause. Look around you. Choose one object. Make one simple sentence in English. Go, ought. That is thinking in English. You did not translate, you created. That is progress. Now exercise 2. Action voice. This is powerful. You describe your actions in real time. When you stand up, think, "I am standing up." When you walk, "I am walking." When you open your phone, "I am opening my phone." You become the narrator of your life. At first, it feels strange. That is okay. Strange means new, and new means growth. Tomorrow morning, try this. I am waking up. I am getting out of bed. I am brushing my teeth. The water is cold. Only 5 minutes. That's all. 5 minutes. Consistency is stronger than intensity. You do not need 1 hour. You need 5 focused minutes every day. Now let's go deeper. The English bubble. Set a timer. 1 minute. Only English thoughts. No translating. If your brain tries to translate, stop gently. Return to simple sentences. I am sitting. It is quiet. I hear a car. I feel tired. Simple language creates speed. After 1 week, try 2 minutes. Then 3. Slow growth, stable growth, real growth. Now let's talk about something very important. Emotions. Emotions are fast. When you feel something, name it immediately in English. I am nervous. I am excited. I am confused. I am proud. Feelings connect deeply to memory. If you connect English to emotions, English becomes alive, not a subject, not a school lesson, alive. And when language is alive, it moves faster in your brain. Here is another powerful tip. Stop trying to be perfect. Perfection slows you down. Communication moves you forward. If you don't know a word, use easier words. Instead of, I am exhausted, say, I am very tired, instead of, I am frustrated. Say, I am not happy about this. Simple English is powerful English. Fluency is not about big words. It is about smooth thinking. Now let's practice together. I will say a situation. You think one simple sentence. Situation 1. You are drinking coffee. Think. Good. Situation 2. You are sitting on your bed. Think. Good. Situation 3. You are listening to this podcast. Think. That is how thinking grows. Small repetitions, small sentences, daily training. Another powerful habit. Change small things in your life. Change your phone language to English. Write your shopping list in English. Milk, bread, eggs, rice. Read simple English definitions. Listen to English every day. Exposure creates comfort. Comfort creates speed. Speed creates confidence. Let me tell you something important. You do not need to think in English all day. That creates pressure. Pressure blocks learning. Start small. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening, while walking, while cooking, while waiting. After 2 weeks, you will notice something. You hesitate less. You pause less. You feel lighter when speaking because your brain is building new roads. And once those roads are strong, words travel faster. Let's recap clearly. Small sentences, action voice, English bubble, name emotions, 5-minute rule, make English normal. That's it. Nothing complicated, no expensive course, no special talent, just daily habit. Before we finish, close your eyes for 5 seconds. Think one sentence about your life right now. Only English. That is real progress. You are training your brain, and training creates confidence. Now I want to hear from you. Right now. What are you thinking in English? Write one sentence in the comments. Will you try the 5-minute challenge tomorrow? Tell me if this episode helped you. Like the video. Subscribe to English with Mr. Bond and share this with someone who feels slow when speaking, because they are not slow. They are just translating, and we are changing that step by step. Calm mind, confident voice, small thoughts, simple sentences, real progress. I'll see you next time. Bye.